Hello everyone, my name is Elio Nunez and today I'm going to show you how to add a number for tickets for a party, for an event, raffle tickets, any invoice, receipt, anything that you want to add a number, a sequence number. So let's move on. I'm using a CorelDraw 2019. So if you have a previous version, probably it's going to be a little different, but I'm going to show you how to create that. So let's move on. Create a new document. Put the size, the width and the height of the document that you're gonna import. So file, you can open a new file and then search for the tickets, or you can just open the folder and drag and drop the ticket in the artwork. So selecting the file, just press P and then it's gonna center the ticket. Okay. Gonna add a number to this space, a sequence number to this space. So let's just press File, Pre-merge, Create Load, Pre-merge. As I said, if you have a previous version, it's gonna be a little different, but it's almost the same. It's gonna appear a window, small window, in this case, and you just press Next if you have a previous version of CorelDraw. If you have this one, just press add column, then it's gonna be numeric, not text. Then here you can put the name of the number. In this case, because it's gonna be numbers, I just put the last number that is gonna be the quantity of the tickets that I'm gonna add. Like I'm just gonna make 100 tickets, so I'm gonna put the number 100 over there. Then in the format, you're gonna change the format, because if you just leave the X, it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 100. So in this case, I'm gonna add like 00X. So it's gonna change, like it's gonna start like 001, 002 till reach 100. So it's it's much better like that. I'm gonna continually increment value. I'm gonna deselect that one. It's gonna start from the 1. Starting value is gonna be 1, and then the ending is gonna be 100, because that's the quantity that you want. The quantity of the tickets that you want numerated. Then add. As you can see, all the numbers were added in this space. You can select or deselect a number if you want. In this case, I want all the numbers appears. So you just press finish. It's gonna pop up this small window, and then you just have to insert selected field. It's gonna appear like a text. Do not change the text. If you change it, it's gonna duplicate the same text that you add here. It's gonna duplicate it 100 times. You don't want that. You want a sequence number to change, not just a text duplicated 100 times. So just leave it like that. You just have to change the to put in the center, bold, and I just want to change the color, and I'm gonna put it over there. If I want to center that number, I just have to press select the number, and with Shift select also the ticket, and then press C. Selector and center, already center. And right now I just have to press merge to new document in the window. Sometimes this small window appears here, in this section. But in this case, it appears like a small window. So just press merge to a new document, and then you have it. Here you have it, a new document with all the tickets numerated from 001 till 100. Here you have it. Then if you want to send to print that document, you just have to press print, Control P, select your printer, of course, then change the settings of the printer, change the page. In this case, I'm gonna print it in 12 by 18. I'm just gonna change the layout, the orientation, landscape, then OK, and always print preview, because it's gonna appear only one ticket and in 100 sheets and 100 pages. You don't want that. You want to have to put as many tickets as you can in only one sheet. So I'm gonna select this and duplicate the tickets. It's not duplicating the tickets, it's adding more tickets in just one page. Then 8 times for the left, and then just 2 times like that. And here you have it. Then I put a line, a crop marks in all the documents, and that's it. You just send to print. As you can see, now it's not 100 pages, it's just 7 pages. And that's it, just send to print.